What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing some door sill protectors onto my Tacoma. So if you guys do have a Tacoma, I would highly suggest watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and explain exactly what these are, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned so that way you guys can get the details on that. It's going to be on a set of these bad boys, either custom or the ones that they already have standard, so make sure to stay tuned. And also, anything on their website, I do have a 10% off discount code for you guys, so go check it out. It's going to be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and now get into the video and show you just exactly how to install these and exactly what they are. Let's do it. Before we get into the actual installation, I want to go ahead and show you guys exactly what door sill protectors are. So noticing right here on my driver's side, there is no cover here. It's just kind of just the paint. So over time, if you guys do kick this, or when you guys are getting off the car or on the car, the paint's going to end up chipping off and it's just going to look really nasty right here. So basically what Tufskinz did is they made an awesome product that you can go ahead and lay down there. I'll show you once it's already installed so you guys can get the full picture. But basically these are going to go right here. And the cool thing about Tufskinz, the material that they actually used is really rugged, and the cool thing, they also make it custom. So as you could tell, mine is a custom made one, so you can kind of get your Instagram name, or you can get whatever you want on these bad boys, or you could get their standard logo, which is kind of like a mountain, which you guys will see. It's in the description box below if you want to purchase it. And as I stated, there is a discount code for you guys. And before any of you guys do blow me up in the comments, I know some Tacomas do come with a standard kind of door sill protector. If you guys don't like it, you guys can remove it, and of course, as I stated, put these. I think the material that's on the Tufskinz one is a lot better than the factory Toyota one. And that being said, my truck did come with them, so let me show you on the opposite side so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, and I'll show you guys how to remove it. Let's get to that side. So as an example, as you guys can tell right here, this is the factory Tacoma door sill that does come with the truck. Not all Tacomas come with it, but just in case yours did, don't worry, you can still install the Tufskinz ones. As I stated, their product feels a lot better than this factory one. All you're going to actually need to remove this, it's nothing hard. All you need is basically a blow dryer and some time. Go ahead and hit it with the blow dryer. If you do have a heat gun only, just like me, you do want to be really careful so that way you don't mess up the paint or actually leave more residue than you should. But this is only a sticker, so with some heat it will remove. If you do leave some residue left over from the glue, all you need is some alcohol, and if you guys can get yourself some glue gun, it'll also remove it. But as I stated, not all Tacomas come with this, so I'm going to go ahead and base it off if my truck didn't come with it. But if you need to remove it, that's how. Super simple, nothing too hard. Let's go ahead and now get into the installation process of this. As I stated, you could get yours custom or just with the standard mountain finish. So basically what you're going to want to do here is, if yours does not come with it, you could go ahead and get some rubbing alcohol, kind of clean off the surface, make sure there's no dirt, debris, anything like that. As for me, it was a little bit more tough because I did need to remove the factory door sill. Once I did that, it did leave some glue, so then I had to get some glue gun and alcohol to go ahead and wipe that down. I'm going to go ahead and give it one more wipe just to make sure there is nothing dirty right here, because the actual Tufskinz one is going to be kind of like a sticker that's going to lay over, so you don't want nothing underneath, so it bonds correctly to the paint. So now that I'm satisfied with the cleaning job, I'm going to go ahead and get the actual Tufskinz ones. And what I did is I got the ones for the two front, which is for the driver's side and the passenger side, and then also for the rear passenger side and the rear driver's side. So they're all going to be the same installation. I'm just going to show you on the two. So this one right here, it will be for the driver's side. So you want to go ahead and just remove it. I don't like removing stickers all the way through, so I'm going to leave it about right there just to kind of get an idea where I'm going to place it, and place mine right about there. I don't think there's no really wrong or right on this part. It's just kind of on you where you want to go ahead and place it. And keep in mind, the glue that they use, it is really strong, so once you lay it, you're probably not going to be able to move it, so just kind of be cautious on that. So once you get to the bend here, you want to go ahead and just kind of carefully slide it over just like that, and take your time on it, just that way it's a clean install. You don't want to rush things like this, that way it doesn't come out nasty, tacky, ugly, ridiculous, or funny looking. As you can tell, That's super sick. So now whenever I take it to the dealer or anything like that and someone steps in, that's going to be the first thing that they actually see, which is awesome. So now let's go ahead and do the rear one, and then we'll go ahead and keep going from there. And Tufskinz actually made this super simple as far as for this installation. They wrote driver and passenger side. So the driver one we already took out because we installed it. Now I have the passenger side left. And of course, as you could tell, my rear ones are a lot shorter than the front ones. So these were the front ones. I'll do the passenger side in a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and now start with the driver's side rear passenger. So super simple, nothing hard about this. I've already laid down some alcohol, but I'm gonna give it one more wipe just to be sure. And then as you can tell, Tufskinz also did this here. You go ahead and pull it down. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of see where I wanna place it first before removing the whole sticker. Probably gonna place it around there. Bam. And trust me, you guys, if you guys buy this, you guys will feel the material. As I stated, it's really rugged. So you'll know for sure that your paint is going to be protected with these bad boys. Now you got yourself an awesome, rugged, good looking door sill protector versus you know, those aftermarket ones that are kind of cheap off of Amazon, or of course, like I stated, the ones from the dealership. They are cool and all, but they're not rugged like this, and they're not custom. All right, you guys, so if you guys did stay until the end of this video, you guys are probably really interested on either buying them, which in the description box below, there'll be the direct link to purchase these. You can either get them in custom, or you can get the mountain logo, which is also an awesome product overall. And I do have a 10% off discount code, which is JesseRizo10, if you do want to purchase it. But of course, I know some of you guys probably just want to win the giveaway, so let's go ahead and now get into the details on how you can win a set for your truck. All right, so of course, in this giveaway, it's going to be super simple as always. All my other giveaways are. So for today's video, as I stated, we're going to give away a set to a lucky winner, and it's going to be this easy. All you're going to have to do really is just make sure to like the video, make sure to be a subscriber, of course, that's going to be the main one, and then also make sure to comment down below which ones you want. Do you guys want the custom text door sill protectors, or do you want the ones with the mountain logo door sill protectors? Go ahead and choose which one you want. Make sure to comment that down below, and then also make sure to go ahead and go to Tufskinz Facebook page and go like it. That's literally it. Super simple, nothing too hard. So good luck to you guys. I'll pick a winner in 2 weeks. If you guys do want to purchase some, once again, Tufskinz.com in description box below, 10% off. JesseRizo10 is the code. See you guys on the next one. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.